Taplock 1 is crafted for the practical. Forged with Zamic 3 zinc alloy metal body and 7mm reinforced stainless steel shackle, strengthened by double-layered lock design with anti-shim and anti-pry technologies. The lock features unparalleled industrial design finished with electroplating. Share Bluetooth access remotely with unlimited users. Set permanent access or limited access with flexible dates and times, and feel free to revoke access whenever you want. Track and monitor access history with time and location from the Taplock app. Cutting-edge fingerprint technology, unlock in 0.8 seconds using your unique fingerprint. Store up to 500 different fingerprints per lock for multiple users. Water and weather resistant up to IP66, rust-proof and rain-proof. Fully functional between -10°C and 60°C, 14F and 140F. 3 ways to unlock: fingerprint unlocking, Bluetooth unlocking using your phone, and backup Morse code unlocking by pressing long, short combinations on the power button. Rechargeable battery lasting up to a year, battery life per 2 hours, charge time, or 3,500 unlocks per charge. Check remaining power using the Taplock app.